Hey, it's so good to see you again. Thanks so much for showing up. I'm working on trying to get a regular schedule going. Hopefully, fingers crossed, I'm going to be doing Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. And I will be more consistent in the future. I have a limited edition, super exclusive, no, I'm just kidding, Ultra Tribe Beauty Box. Oh my goodness. So this was created by Privy Beauty Box, and they are a bi-monthly beauty subscription box. And they put together this, which I believe it's the first all-women-owned CBD beauty box. So this is just a heads up to anyone that doesn't know. CBD is 100% hemp-derived, and it's 100% legal in the United States. And no, it cannot get you high. Okay, let's get that disclaimer out of the way. This box runs $44.99. It is plus shipping, so I paid $46.98. I'll actually leave a link down below if you're interested in subscribing to Tribe or want to purchase the box. So opening up the box gives you a full list of all products included, how it works, and the cost. And the total value of this box is $138.68. Glow Away. This is by Millenial. Beaute? Is it Beaute or Beauty? CBD Peel Off Mask. They have a protection seal. Right on. Seal. Right on. Apparently it didn't protect well enough. No! No, it's on my laptop! Damage! Well, that's not off to a good start. I was able to clean it off, so that is good. And this is a peel-off mask, luckily. Hopefully, if it sticks, I'll just peel it off. That is what got on my laptop. Not very happy. The seal's supposed to, like, I don't know, seal it. And this runs $36. Oh, boy. Yeah, I'm glad I'm using this brush because my fingers would just be like, ew, God, stop me. I swear, if you peel off my eyebrows, I will lose my shit. I feel like the man in the Iron Mask. Oh my goodness, I could be Leonardo DiCaprio right now. This is crazy. So it's a peel off. I don't think I did a thick enough layer, but I am gonna try and crack it off. Oh, look at that go. Oh! Oh, why did I do that? Oh my God. As sick as I'm taking like hairs off of me. Oh my God. Oh. Hairs on my upper lip are burning. Oh my goodness. It is coming off, but it's coming off like really small sections. And it's not as painful as around my lips, so maybe I just went a little heavier there. Oh, that was a hair. Oh, that hurt. Like, how thick do you need it to be? Trying to crack it is not pleasant. So I used a warm towel to just literally wipe off the face mask. The layer was just too thin. My face feels really, really clean. It didn't rip out my eyebrows, which is a win for me. I'm a fan of that. I really want to do it again. I'm gonna do it again. I'm gonna make the mask thicker, and just because I really want to try and get that whole one peel thing. I love Aiki, and it's an LA green jade roller. Ooh. I've seen this all over the place. I know I'm a little late to the show. It actually matches my nails. Don't look at that one. That one's awful. Matches my nail. I'm a little late to the show, but I've always wanted one, so this is definitely good. I can see why people like this. This feels good. I thought it was just a gimmick, but it really does feel good. I'm assuming the reason they include it is because it's green, you know, for the CBD. But yeah, I'm a fan. Thank you. I have another product from Millenial Beaute. I'm actually not going to do this one because I already did one. And, you know, I don't want to ruin my face. And this runs $10. I was like, what? $10 for this little sample packet? This is a compressed sheet mask. This is 10 milligrams of CBD. Water or aloe vera to activate it. No thank you. Purple Kush by Ruby May. There is a mirror included. Those are the colors. That makes me so happy. So this palette was specially created for Privy Beauty Box. The eyeshadows do not include any CBD, but the names definitely inspired by. Strain. Oof, that's a nice purple. Bubba. Ooh, Bubba. High Times. Northern Lights. Oh, that's so creamy. Oh, ooh, look at Northern Lights. There's definitely pigment in this palette. OG. Ooh, it's a deep one. Euphoria. It's nice gold. Blackberry. I thought Strain was dark. Blackberry is like super dark. Indica. This is Swisher. It's another purple. There are a lot of purples in this palette. And this runs $34.99. So I started out with Bubba. And it honestly just reminds me of Fanta. It's the only orange, so I just wanted to see how it showed up. And it showed up really well. Swisher. And I'm super surprised that they actually blend in this well together. I thought it would look like a shitstorm, but it actually looks pretty good. There's no fallout, which I am also surprised at, so that is even better. OG right in the middle, and it is obviously quite vibrant. Blackberry right on the inner corner. I wanted to make sure I hit all of the main colors on the palette. Northern Lights right on the inner corner because I couldn't help myself. That color is amazing. So that's what it looks like. So next we have an item from Privy Peach, and this is a lip gloss, and it's in the color Frost My Life. Yeah, so I'm really excited to try this. This runs $22 though. Doesn't smell like anything. I think you can smell like the base of the oil that they used to make it. It's clear. There's no color there at all. It's pretty thick. I don't know how I feel about the smell though. I wish it had a scent to it, as opposed to like the oil base behind it. But yeah, it feels fine. It's regular lip gloss. The only difference is this has CBD in it. So they also included a sample from Privy Peach. It's not on the card, and it's an ultra sensitive blend intimate oil. Look at that. That is cute. And that's the back of it. Full price is $45. You're such a peach. Well, that's it. Goodbye.